Welcome back to how to use APIs with JavaScript on Codecademy. This lesson, HTTP status codes, and it says, a successful request to the server results in a response, which is the message the server sends back to you, the client. The response from the server will contain a 3-digit status code. These codes can start with a 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, and each set of codes means something different. You can read the full list here. They work like this. Status codes in the 100s. You won't see these a lot. The server saying, got it, I'm working on your request. 200s. These mean okay. The server sends these when it's successfully responding to your request. Remember when you got a 200 back from Codecademy? 300s, these mean I can do what you want, but I have to do something else first. You might see this if a website has changed addresses and you're using the old one. The server might have to reroute the request before it can get you the resource you asked for. 400s, these mean you probably made a mistake. The most famous is 404, meaning file not found. You ask for a resource or web page that doesn't exist. 500 status codes, these mean the server goofed up and can't successfully respond to your request. Our instructions say we've sent a GET request to a Codecademy page that doesn't exist. Toss status on XHR and console.log this value so you can see the status code returned by the server. It should be the dreaded 404. So here, all we would have to do is xhr.status, and we want to put this around a console log, and this should console log our status code. And as you guys can see, we get the 404, and they are making a GET request to a Codecademy page that doesn't exist. They send the request, and then we get the status of that request logged out, which is 404, which means they could not find it. If we were to erase doesn't exist and just make that, we should get 200 if it is found. As you guys can see, we got a 200 because this page does exist. And again, we switch this back and get it again, and it should be that 404, which is showing us this page doesn't exist. So that is it for this lesson on HTTP status codes. I'll see you guys on the next one.